What's up, peoples? We got an unboxing. Yes, a nice, generous gentleman, Vincent, has sent me some fragrance. It is from Dreamhouse Fragrances. So, should have had a knife, but bear with me. All right, I think we got it open, people. All right. What do we have here? Nice little package with some newspaper. We have Orange Sunshine from Dreamhouse. Oh, that is dope. That is nice packaging, yo. Look at that. Isn't that dope? Let's see if we got any samples or anything in this mofo. Wait, there's something else in here. What is that? Oh, Scott. Yo, he sent me another one. What is this? What is this? Ghost Dance. What in the world? Yo, my man, Vincent. You are the man, homeboy. What in the world are you doing? Alright, okay. I did not expect that. I did not expect that. Look at the packaging though, right? Yo, man, I don't know how he does this, but this is dope. So let's look at Orange Sunshine. Okay, I guess we're gonna look at Ghost Dance. Let me open it up for y'all. See, let's open up Ghost Dance. Nice. That signature wax. I mean, that's just genius. That's really cool. I'm not gonna pull it out. Just wanted to give y'all an opportunity to see that one. Let's open up this one. Ooh, something fell out. Oh, we got some 2 travel sprays in that one. Oh, that is dope. Look at that. Inside, it has a leather inside too. Yeah, man. I can't wait to try these on, review these. I can't wait to see what they are about. That is unboxing for Dreamhouse. My man, Vincent. You got me in that one. I'm very happy, very appreciative, and I will be spraying these, using these, checking them out, and stay tuned for the review, you guys. Hopefully all of them are dope. Pretty sure you are. Alright, I'll check you guys out. That's my gang size. I'm sorry, no gang size. Peace.